And now the BTC ETFs ramped up accumulation despite recent drawdowns. And Glassnode founders were bullish on BTC despite overhead obstacles on price charts. Despite Bitcoin declining by nearly 20%, US spot BTC ETFs scooped the dip. Even though the largest digital asset dropped below 55K, in June, BTC dropped from $71.09K to 58.4K. Further negative sentiment in July saw a drop to a new low of 53.4K before reclaiming 58K as of press time. While acknowledging the recent drawdown as nasty, Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Bolchunas noted that ETFs AUM assets under management and YTD year-to-date flows remain steady. Bitcoin had 20% drawdown in a month flat. Pretty nasty. I would have been impressed if 90% of AUM hung in there, but it was over 100% as they saw inflows, kept the all-important YTD net number at plus $15 billion. And Bolchunas added that BTC ETFs, which he equated to boomers holdings, were hanging tough during drawdowns. And Farsight Investors data supported Bolchunas' statement as YTD flows reclaimed the $15 billion mark after dropping to $14.3 billion in late June. But social value data revealed that BTC ETFs AUM declined by nearly $10 billion. Amidst recent drawdowns, it dropped from $62.5 billion to below $50 billion. However, AUM has since recovered as flows improved at the start of the week. The products have seen positive net flows since last Friday. On Monday and Tuesday, BTC ETFs saw $294.9 million and $216.3 million in inflows, respectively. Nevertheless, other market observers viewed the improved ETF flows as irrelevant to BTC price action on the chart. In fact, one user claimed the inflows were hedge funds to short BTC on the futures market through cash and carry trade. Another market analyst, Jim Bianco, countered Bolchunas' boomer narrative in BTC ETFs. And Bianco underscored that boomers held a tiny percentage, with a majority of BTC ETF holders coming from self-directed investors. As of press time, BTC was up 5.8% on a weekly basis and slightly above 59K. However, to show further strength, the recovery must clear the trendline resistance and reclaim the range low of 60.8K. The RSI and the directional movement index showed remarkable positive strengthening. However, RSI was below average and DMI was far from a positive crossover, indicating that bulls still didn't have absolute market leverage. Interestingly, Glassnode founders Negentrepet claimed that BTC's RSI has bottomed on the daily chart, tipping them to take a bullish stance on BTC